Forgot your Linux password? Don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through the step-by-step process of resetting your Linux password and getting back into your system in just a few minutes. First, let me explain what we're going to do. Since the next step needs to be performed very quickly, it's important to know what to expect. Start by powering on your system. As soon as the system begins to boot, you'll briefly see the GRUB boot menu or the welcome screen. It only appears for a few seconds, so you need to act quickly. As soon as you see it, immediately press the E key to edit the GRUB boot entry. After that, use the down arrow key to move the cursor to the line that starts with Linux. On that line, locate the words row quiet splash and replace them with rw init equals /bin/bash. Once you've made the changes, press Ctrl plus X or F10 to boot the system with the modified kernel parameters. Press Continue and the execution will start. Once the process is complete, the root terminal will appear. Now you're in the root terminal. If you don't know the username, you can find it by running the following command, ls/home. This command will display the list of user accounts on the system. To reset the password, run the following command, passwd username. Replace username with the actual username you found earlier. Next, enter the new password and then re-enter it to confirm. the password has been updated successfully, reboot the system. By running the following command, reboot-f